Hello everyone. Welcome to HelloNote EMR's tutorial on the new email statements feature. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to send electronic statements to patients, allowing them to view their invoices. Let's go explore the feature together. First, click on the Patients tab on the left side navigation bar. Once you're redirected to the Patients page, select a patient from the patient list. For demonstration purposes, I will select a demo patient to show the features. Once we have selected a patient, we should always check if the patient has an email address stored in the system. If not, we won't be able to email the patient. Upon checking the patient information, we confirm that our demo patient has a valid email address stored in our system, and we can proceed to the next step. Click on Visits and Receipts. Now, you will see a table displaying the visit details and the outstanding balance. The visit in red shows a balance of $5. Now, on the left side, click on the Actions button to explore more options for this visit. Once clicked, a drop-down menu will appear, and you should select Email Statement. The email will be sent immediately. Let's take a look at the email by going to our Demo Patients inbox. Switching to the Demo Patients inbox, after refreshing the email, the statement email shows up. Taking a look at the email, we can see that it's coming from HelloNote, and it contains a link for checking the payment. It also warns the patient about the link expiring after 7 days for security and privacy reasons. To view the statement, click on the link. As it opens a new secure page, patients will be asked to verify their identity by typing their last and first name before proceeding to the next step. Once patients have typed their names, they should click Confirm. This will verify their identity, and they will then need to click Next to view the electronic statement. Patients can view the invoice or send a payment link to themselves by clicking the Actions button and selecting Send Payment Link. Thank you all for joining us in this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance with HelloNote, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help.